Base coat has already been applied to all of my fingernails. Now I'll be applying Salon Perfect Ride the Heat Wave. Now I'm going to use China Glaze Fairy Dust. This seems to be good in one coat. Now I'm going to put over the top the China Glaze Fairy Dust. I'll be using Uber Chic Beauty's Vacation Mode stamping plate. Brave Steva on the black stamping polish. Queen Sticky Stamper. And Hit the Bottles, A Flock of Seagulls. I'm going to use this little shark fin right here. Okay, I'm going to put this little fin right here. And I'll put another shark fin down here. This is a layering plate, so this goes over the top of the shark fin. This is a very easy layering plate to use. There's hardly any cleanup needed. Just going to go over the edges a little bit with my cleanup pen. And now I'm going to use the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat. I know I've said this a lot before. This is amazing stuff. I'll wait for that to dry, and then I'm going to put Sash Feet Quick Dry Top Coat over the top. Actually, I think I'm going to use Sash Vive today for a gel-like shine. And here is the finished Shark Week Mani. I hope you like this one too. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in below. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not one of my subscribers, consider becoming a subscriber so you don't miss out on awesome nail art. Thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.